10 creative ways to take a laundry room to the next level. Once upon a time, laundry rooms were typically dingy spaces tucked in dimly lit basements or grimy garages. These days, laundry rooms are highly personalized spaces thanks to a mix of decorative accents and gorgeous, functional features. Case in point, this black and white space by Roost Interiors. This lovely gray laundry room by Refined Custom Homes is tricked out with plenty of storage solutions from cabinetry to hanging clothing racks. But our favorite feature is the built-in sewing desk, which allows the homeowner to work on projects while doing the wash. When it comes to our homes, nothing says fresh and clean like a crisp white laundry room like this one by Studio McGee. We adore the checkered floor tile in marble, which lends a splash of retro whimsy. Well-chosen decorative accents like the vase filled with flowers and vintage mesh basket add visual warmth. Patterned floor tile will enliven any laundry room. Here it sets the stylish tone for this small space by Foster Hill Design. Heads up dog owners, if your laundry room doubles as a mudroom, behold this creative idea by Kelly McGill Home. The design team installed a customized dog washing station. For a dash of retro flavor, the design team connected oil-rubbed fixtures in the mini shower and utility sink. Check out the walls. To protect them dirt and moisture, they are covered from flooring to ceiling with gorgeous white subway. A white quartz countertop on top of the washer and dryer creates room to fold clean laundry. Pretty decorative prints and artwork further personalize the space. Adding pops of color to your laundry room is an easy and creative way to personalize things. From the door to cabinet knobs, interior designer Allison Candler added splashes of minty fresh goodness to this space. Vintage collectibles in bright colors boost visual appeal. Are you looking to give your old cabinetry a modern farmhouse twist? Consider replacing the front panels with wire mesh, as shown here. Let us introduce you to, arguably, the prettiest laundry room ever. It is by the award-winning interior design firm, Beautiful Chaos Companies. Custom base cabinets painted a shade of marigold yellow delights the eyes. Upper white cabinetry with pretty eyelet-styled cutouts lends a bit of old-timey charm that also feels cute and modern. Love the idea of houseplants but got a black thumb? Who says you need to decorate with the real thing? Here faux plants including a whimsical lemon tree lend pops of greenery. You can pack a lot of vintage style into a small laundry room, as shown in this example by Studio McGee. A herringbone tile floor anchors the space with an interesting pattern. Gray and white shaker-style cabinetry surround a small apron front sink. Good lighting is essential when doing laundry. This space does not skimp thanks to 3 wall-mounted task lights and 1 ceiling-mounted fixture. Small and stylish are 2 words that beautifully sum up this laundry room by Jackson Design and Build. Pocket doors keep the space out of sight when not in use. Arrow-patterned wallpaper turns the back wall into an attractive feature. We must admit we love a classic stainless steel utility sink. The one shown here has an industrial vibe and is a perfect match for the washer and dryer. 2 more smart and creative features boost function. First is the white wall-mounted drying rack that folds neatly into the wall. Second is the rolling laundry cart that helps keeps things organized. We mentioned earlier that patterned floor tile could personalize a space. Here John Siemering Homes transformed what would have been a traditional laundry room into a showstopper with bold floor tiles. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.